in-depth review about this platform called Microsoft OneNote. So we're going to explore its features, the pros and cons, and its price tag for you to know if this app is the best app for you to use in 2025. So to get started, think of Microsoft Note as your digital notebook from Microsoft 365. You can use Note 1 to take notes, make lists, and create a different section and pages. It's available as OneNote for Android, OneNote for Windows 10, and also OneNote for Mac. So that you can sync your notes anywhere, everywhere, at any time. Being part of Microsoft Office 365, it works well with other Microsoft apps as well. You can even collaborate with others. Your notes usually save to OneDrive. Check your app store or Mac app store to get it, and Microsoft support help you if needed. You might also find a frequent asked questions about OneNote online. So talking about the key features about this platform, it comes a wide range of features that makes this app super cool. So OneNote is a pretty cool because it can do some really neat stuff that help you keep everything together. So it's more than just typing notes. So here are some of the best things OneNote has to offer. So making it a favorite for many, even with experts, with the help of these key features, which is Copilot. It comes with a Copilot AI together with a sketch and annotate. It also comes with a collaboration features with a voice transcription and a note education. Now talking about the pricing plan, you can simply contact for the exact price using the customer support. Then for the pros and cons, talking about the pros and cons, which is the good side and the bad side of this platform. So picking the good side over the bad side, it comes with a cross compatibility, a flexible note taking, excellent organization, and a strong collaboration. And it also integrates with Microsoft 365. Now talking about the downside, which is the bad side of this, the occasional sync it has issues sometimes, and the features overload. Then interface could be more modern, and some functionalities could improve. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. Thanks.